Do you have a mobile phone? If so, join the thousands of people who are making money from home. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make $100 by just scan on your phone. The best part is that it's completely free to sign up and no experience is needed. But before we start, make sure to check the links below in the description. I am sharing a very amazing and powerful methods to make money instantly. So, make sure you don't miss out on that. Now, let's jump to the video, and make sure to watch till the end. Remember to subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell. How do you make money scan with your mobile? There are many ways that you can make money with your mobile phone. Today I will show you an amazing app. It is called Shopkick. Shopkick is a free app that lets you earn gift cards to major retailers without spending any money, although making purchases increases your earnings. Many apps reward you for making purchases, but Shopkick lets you earn gift cards without buying anything. Shopkick is a fun and easy way to earn free gift cards for everyday shopping. Millions of people use Shopkick every day to discover new products, plan shopping trips, and earn rewards online, in their app, and in stores everywhere. Shopkick has partnered with over 350 of your favorite retailers and brands to offer rewards in the form of gift cards, coupons, and discounts. To start using Shopkick, download the app on Google Play or App Store. You can get rewards in-store and online. You will get reward points called kicks throughout your day. Then, redeem your kicks for free gift cards and enjoy. It's that simple. You can earn Shopkick points without spending money by walking to partner stores, scan barcodes of select products with the in-app scanner, watching online video ads, look through product listings for surprises, and refer friends to Shopkick. You can redeem your points with PayPal or a wide selection of gift cards available from Starbucks to Target, Ulta Beauty to Amazon. Every 250 kicks get you $1, and you can earn hundreds of kicks in a single transaction. Google Play shows 10 million plus downloads and 232,000 reviews with rate 4.8. But Shopkick won't give you big money or replace your full job, but it can help you earn some money, even if you don't buy a thing. However, if you are looking for earning big money, make sure to check the links in the description below, to start making more than $1,000 each and every day, and also other methods to make some money instantly. If you found this video valuable, give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell.